JemmyTooReal gang, what's good? This your boy JemmyTooReal, and I'm back with another video. Y'all already know what it is, man. I'm back with another video. And yesterday was a slow day, man. I had a little leak going on, if y'all saw the vlog from yesterday. But today, it's Friday. We're gonna turn it up a little bit. We're gonna make a little more money than we made yesterday, man. I swear it felt like I only made $100, but if I did, I thank God for it. Moving forward, we need to be making a lot more than that every day, man. I try to average 400 to 500 a day just for you know, beginners or whatever. But you know, I got some dudes that told me they make 8, 9, 1,000, 1,500 a day driving a tow truck, man. So I'm trying to up my pay, man. So I'm trying to find different methods, different providers. If you're a tow truck driver out there and you know a provider that I can mess with other than Copart, other than IAA, because I need to holler at them, other than Odessa option, you know, it's other providers. State Farm, I got State Farm. Y'all name them down below in the comment section, man. Name them down below so I can tap in with those other providers or whatnot, man. Other than that, let's get to some money. We about to pull up to the tow truck. Let's go, let's do it. Yeah, good old Friday, y'all. I see a lot of these cats not working today, man. What's going on? I gotta get it every day, every single day. There I go. Let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do is let my truck run, man, because it been sitting and it's cold out here. See, I got a GMC 5500 heavy duty commercial. I put new lights and all on here, man. So you know, I had to jazz it up. New paint job. I'm gonna change the beacon up there soon. But yeah, man. Flatbed, it's about 19-20 foot. And I got the dolly in the back, so I do doubles, pull 2 cars at one time. That's the only way you're gonna make the money. I got PTO on both sides. You know what I'm saying? New tires I put on here. Yeah, it ain't no play. New winch. Yeah, ain't no play. You see it, new J-hooks and all that old stuff. Yeah, I went all out. And I just added this box. And me and my father-in-law, we painted that yesterday, man. But yeah, it's coming around. I'm actually gonna add another box right next to it. I gotta go up to the dude today, Henry's Ornamental Iron on Rowe Avenue in Jacksonville, Florida. And we gotta measure the whole little space out, man. Y'all check it out. Right here, I'm gonna measure that out. That's why I let the truck run. You see the muffler is blowing out the white smoke. I mean, you need to let it run a little bit. You know, it's a cold crank, man. Cold crank don't damage your engines out here, tow truck drivers. Do a little more due diligence when it comes to maintenance. That's what I'm trying to say, man. Do a little more due diligence when it comes to maintenance. Y'all saw my vlog from yesterday. I had a little leak. I called my father-in-law ASAP because he's a mechanic, man. He know about commercial vehicles, any type of vehicle. He know how to fix on it. So we got it done. No more leaks. It was on the power steering. But hey, I'm ready to roll now. So let's go get this money. Let's go get this tow. Let's go. Hey, JemmyTooReal gang. I'm leaving Henry's Ornamental Iron, man. And this dude like a father figure to me, man. I used to work for him every summer doing welding and stuff like that off Fernandina Avenue, close by Edgewood, Rowe Avenue. And he's about to build me a box to go on the side of my truck. And we about to get this thing rolling, man, because I need to be able to store some stuff. So y'all stay tuned for that, and I'll show y'all how I look. That's the shot right here, man. JemmyTooReal gang, I'm picking up my first vehicle at Crash Champions off Cassett Avenue. I'm going on the backside. Everything that needs to be towed, they put on the backside. throughout the back gate. As y'all can see, that's Crash Champions. And I'm looking for a 2018 Hyundai Electric. Let's see. This might be it right here. I think she drives. Alright, TooReal gang, got my first tow. I just jumped it off. It's running. Let my bed back and drive it up the ramp. Get it strapped down, get on out of here. I gotta go do another personal tow, so. First car strapped down, 4 points. I was gonna leave the car running. I see they got it down there on full, y'all. Look at that tank. It was about to ride out. They smashed all that. Put all that gas in there. I'm gonna shut it down though. Get this thing delivered. Look at that. Crazy. Pulling up in the co-park. Gotta wake up and soar with the Eagles. We the Eagles. Moving all these cars all day. Flying here, flying there. Tow gang. Flat trailers. Flatbed tow trucks. All of the above. 10 car haulers, 5 car, 6 car. Doubles. I couldn't do doubles because I need to pick up some checks and run on the inside. Got the first one delivered, about to head over to a private tow and get that one delivered to the owner because they got in a wreck. They've been waiting on their vehicle, so I'm about to pull up the coordinates. See exactly where it's at. Alright, TooReal gang, I'm picking up a personal vehicle. It got smashed. It's my wife's little cousin. About to tow it and they forgot to leave the keys. We'll get this baby on up there. And hopefully the keys where I'm taking it. It'll be easy to take it off. Let's go. Drop that off to get me a little eggnog latte from this place called Brass and Tack. Brass and Tacks by Copeland's on Southside Boulevard in Jacksonville. And I'm going through the drive-thru, y'all. It should be done in a second. Get to the next tow. Yeah, I got my second car loaded, but I had to do a gas station run. Gotta give me some gas, man. I keep running out of gas. It's so expensive putting gas in this truck. I put about $50 to $100 a day in this truck. Average about $300 to $400 a week, easy, if not more, depending on how much I tow. So get your budgeting plan if you're towing out here, man, so you can know, what I'm saying, what you need to be doing as far as like with your money, with the gas, how you gonna write off your taxes and stuff like that. You want to be able to write all that stuff off on your taxes. So I swipe my card and I just let it run. That way I could go right to my bank statements and see how much gas I spent. All right, TooReal gang, I dropped that load off Chevy Sonic off of the head out by Jack's Beach. I got 2 cars to pick up by Jack's Beach. I think one is a GLC 300 Mercedes, and I can't remember the other one. Anyway, for the ride out here and see what they got going on. Hopefully they easy to tow. You know, not all smashed up, not all burnt up. Hopefully they got keys. I don't like towing cars with no keys, unless it's a junk car and we just trying to slang that thing off of this flatbed. But if it's somebody's personal vehicle, I really don't like doing it. If I have to do it, I can, but it made the process slower and a little more complicated depending on the angles and where I gotta put it at. But let's stay in tune, let's keep rolling, let's go get some more tows. All right, y'all, I'm at Jack's Beach. As y'all could tell, the nice houses, the paved driveways, pavers. Picked up a GLC 300, 2021, pretty nice, pretty new. And I'm about to tow it to Copart. The insurance about to pay for it, get it fixed and resell it. Y'all know what's going on, man. It's the big recycle business. That's how they do at Copart. That's how they do, man. So, if you got a damaged car, if you're trying to sell a vehicle, call the auction, call Copart, call IAA, Odessa. They buying, selling, recycling cars all over America. Y'all tap in, let's go. Leaving Arlington Toyota. As y'all can see, I'm pulling doubles. I went and picked up another one. I'm about to put on the flashers just to help drivers behind me know that it's a car. A lot of people don't be paying attention, so let's keep going. Let's get this stuff delivered. My day almost over, a little bit over, halfway over. So I'll probably do 2 more tows after this and call it a day, man. Get ready for the weekend. Y'all see it, hard work, dedication. Let's go. JemmyTooReal gang, Copart called me out the blue. I was going to go pick up 2 more vehicles on the south side of Jacksonville, but they had an emergency pickup, a Honda. It's a 2013 Honda Accord, and man, the airbags deployed. She called her lawyer. They saying that they need this thing towed ASAP. So I'm gonna go drop it off the Copart. They about to resell it, fix it up. Good luck. All in all, it was a safe day towing, and I ain't get to do exactly what I wanted to do or as much as I wanted to do, but I did all right. I got some tows in. I made a little money on. You know it ain't no fun yarn without the money on, so we're gonna keep it going. But I got 2 more tows they need me to do. I don't think I'm gonna make it to those tows today. I might try to do them over the weekend, or even wait till Monday, because they're not due till Monday. With Copart, you can have a due date for each load, each lot. So you gotta pay attention to the driver notes, the expiration dates on when they need to be delivered, and X, Y, and Z. So I'm gonna call it a short day today, really a long day. I just ain't, like I say, do as much as I wanted to. But I got about 6, 7 tows in, man. That's good enough. In the meantime, between time, I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. This your boy JemmyTooReal and TooReal gang. I love y'all. I hope y'all had a great Christmas. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch y'all the next time. And I'm out, yo.